What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we've got this Saab 9.3 Viggen in for our disaster detail. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. So you've just seen what we're working with, and we've got a big challenge ahead. So let's go ahead and start on the interior, get that looking nice and clean, and then we can move on to the exterior. Right, so a quick update on the Saab 9.3. We've finished off the interior, so the interior is looking a lot nicer than when it came to us. It's had a deep interior clean, so all the seats have been wet shampooed, and then all of the door cards and dashboard, that's all been gone over as well, so that's looking nice and clean now. I'll show you this door card here. It's looking a bit cleaner than it was when it came into us. So that's now done. We've had the wheels come back from refurbishment, so I don't know if I mentioned that earlier on, but they were hanging before, so they're now back on the car. I'll throw a couple of photos on screen now of what they looked like before, but yeah, massive improvement on the wheels. Right then, so you've just seen us give the interior a deep clean. That's looking a lot better now. And now the wheels are back on the car, we can pull it outside and give the exterior a thorough clean as well. The roof is looking a bit worse for wear, so we're going to give this also a deep clean. As you can see, there's mould all over it, and yeah, it's definitely seen better days. I don't know if you can see it on camera well, but yeah, let's give this a deep clean now, and then we can hand it over back to the customer. Looking a lot better than when they dropped it off. that's the detail now complete on this Saab 9.3 Viggen. As you can see, it's looking a lot better than when it came to us. So this has had our interior and exterior deep clean. As well as that, the wheels have also been off to be refurbished, so they're looking a lot better now than there was previously. Hope you've enjoyed this video. It's a bit different to the usual ones that we normally do, where we're PPFing or ceramic coating a car, so it's nice to see the befores and afters on this. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.